Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on trapezoidal rule. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Examples on trapezoidal rule. Evaluate integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square, dividing the closed interval dividing the interval 0, 1 into 6 equal parts into 6 equal parts by using trapezoidal rule. And hence find the approximate value of pi. Now write down solution. So given integral is 0 to 1 means here a is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. We have to divide the interval into 6 equal parts means n is equal to 6 and f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So first we have to find the value for step length, that is h. So this is step length. H is equal to, the formula for h is equal to upper limit minus lower limit divided by n, that is b minus a divided by n. And here b is equal to 1, a value is 0, n value is 6, so that total you will get 1 by 6. So this is the value of h is equal to 1 by 6. Now we have to create a table, means we have to find the value for y, and y is nothing but f of x. So this f of x itself is nothing but y. So y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So first I will write the value of x here, and here y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So x values are, so in this case integration is given from 0 to 1. So first I will write 0, then the step length h is equal to 1 by 6 means you have to add h is equal to 1 by 6. So 0 plus 1 by 6 is 1 by 6. Next 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 2 by 6. Next 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 3 by 6. Next 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 4 by 6. 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 5 divided by 6, and at last 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 6 by 6, and 6 by 6 we can write it as 1. Now we have to substitute the value of y is equal to f of x. Substitute value for x is equal to 0 in f of x, and f of x value is given, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Just I will write here. So this is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Substitute the value of x is equal to 0, and if you substitute x is equal to 0, you will get 1 divided by 1 plus 0, and 1 divided by 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, similarly, put x is equal to 1 by 6. If you substitute x is equal to 1 by 6, if you put x is equal to 1 by 6, then what you will get, y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and 1 divided by 1 plus x square means 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 6 whole square, because x value is 1 by 6, and if you simplify, you will get 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 36, and here you will get 31 divided by 37 divided by 36, or 36 divided by 37, and 36 divided by 37 value is equal to 0.97297, or approximately we can write it as 0.9730, that is 0.9730. Similarly, we have to substitute the value for x is equal to 2 by 6. Then y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and 1 divided by 1 plus x square means 1 divided by 1 plus this 2 by 6 whole square, and if you simplify this, you will get 0.9. So I will write directly, that is equal to 0.9. Now put x is equal to 3 by 6. If you put x is equal to 3 by 6, y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square means it is 3 by 6 whole square, or simply you can write it as 1 divided by 1 plus 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So total you will get 4 divided by 5, and 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. So that is 0.8. So actually this 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. So therefore when x is equal to 3 by 6, the value of y is equal to 0.8. Now put x is equal to 4 by 6, and if you substitute x is equal to 4 by 6, you will get y value is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 4 by 6 whole square, and if you simplify, you will get 0.6923. So I will write here, that is 0.6923. Put x is equal to 5 by 6, and if you substitute x is equal to 5 by 6, then the value of y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 5 by 6 whole square means 25 divided by 36, and if you simplify this, you will get 0.5902. So I will write in the table, that is 0.5902. And at last put x is equal to 1, and if you substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 divided by 1 square, and 1 divided by 1 square means it is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So in the table I will write 0.5. So these are the values of y, whereas the first value of is called, this is y0 value, next is y1 value, next y2 value, 0.8 is nothing but y3 value, 0.6923 is y4 value, 0.5902 is y5 value, and 0.5 is y6 value. So it has total 7 values. 0 to 6 means it has 7 values. We have to find the value of integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square by using trapezoidal rule. So by using trapezoidal rule means now you have to use the trapezoidal formula. By trapezoidal rule. So first I will write the formula for the trapezoidal rule. Left hand side we have integration, that is I is nothing but integration 0 to 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx, and right hand side we have to write down the formula, that is h divided by 2. The formula for trapezoidal rule is first non-repeated terms. Non-repeated terms are always first and last term, y0 and yn, and here yn is equal to y6. So I will write that is y0 plus y6. The rest of the terms are repeated for 2 times. So 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. So this is the trapezoidal formula for 7 terms. Now substitute the values for y0 to y6. So this is h. What is the value for h? H value is equal to 1 by 6. So that is 1 by 6 divided by 2 into bracket. Substitute the value for y0. Y0 value is equal to 1 plus y6 value. Y6 value is 0.5 bracket complete plus 2 times bracket y1 value 0.9730 plus 0.9, that is y2 value, plus y3 value is equal to 0.8 plus y4 value 0.6923 plus y5 value 0.5902. You have to simplify by using calculator. So 1 divided by 6 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 12, and if you simplify 1 divided by 12 into, that is 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5 plus 2 into bracket. If you simplify throughout, you will get 0.78425. So this is the value of integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square. Now with this we have to find the value of pi, and to find the value of pi we have to integrate the given function f of x. So the given function is f of x is equal to, let that is integration 0 to 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. And what is integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square? We know that integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, and this is running from 0 to 1. If you substitute the upper limit, you will get tan inverse of 1 minus lower limit is 0, means we can write it as tan inverse of 0. And what is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus 0 is equal to pi by 4, and we have obtained the value of integration 0 to 1 divided by 1 plus x square as 0.78425. So I will write here its value is equal to 0.78425. Transpose this 4 to the left hand side, and if you transpose to the 4 left hand side, then 4 into 0.78425 is equal to, you will get 3.137. So this is the required value of pi.